What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tough Guy 40. I'm in the lab getting some work in. As you can see, Baja having bad trouble with the motor. Motor getting on my damn nerves. I had to take him on out. Anyway, got it all broken down. So the title of this video is Baja down. Man down. Man down. Baja down. We need help. I'm experimenting. And yo, check this out. I told y'all before, when I bought the Baja, the dude told me it was a 34cc motor, and I didn't believe him. But check this out. Let me see if I can get into focus. Hold on. That's a 34. So it is a 34cc engine. Had this on top. Baja. I don't know. Serial numbers here. I don't know what all that shit means. I seen something else on here too. What else is on here? Oh, this the 34. But yeah, I'm having trouble with the motor. I tried to get the thing to start. It wouldn't start for me. It wouldn't start. So pissed me off. I just took it out. And I was just gonna go ahead and convert it over to electric. But I was on the internet and looking at some stuff. I seen I could put another motor in here or rebuild this one. But I'm having a hard time finding the conversion kit. But I think I found one. Not too far away from my house. But yeah, I was just giving you guys a little heads up. Baja down, fellas. All right, Tough Guy 40, I'm out.